Hello YouTube, Robert here. This is the biggest mushroom I have ever seen. It happens to be growing out of this big, huge oak tree. This thing is big. Now, I hear that mushrooms are poisonous. What makes wild mushrooms poisonous? Let's see if I can get them. That's a big stem. So anyways, this is a big giant mushroom at my work, growing out of this big huge tree. Never seen one this big, so I thought I would post it. Post a comment on whether or not you know the reason why you can't eat these wild mushrooms. I mean, what makes them poisonous, or is that just a myth? Alright, thanks YouTube. Have a good one.